Bas, wala silang pinagkaiba doon sa mga nakatestigo kanina nakamasker at nakashades. Hindi naman po siguro ganun yun. Wala naman silang inaakusan na krimen na ginawa. This is something I believe that they should stand up and be counted for. Thank you, Madam.
The
Madam
bulk of the
Chair.
money came from me. So,
Agyamanak,
Thank you,
Agyamanak,
Senator
Madam
Risa.
Chair. I think narinig po nating lahat yung mga sagot ng ating mga resource persons mula sa pirma, Attorney Garbin Quezon-Chis, punong-puno ng pagkalito at saka disagreement. And
One of the
I'm-
petitioner of this.
I'm sorry, I think we have many resource persons led by Justice Carpio, Justice Ascuna, and the rest who will respond to that query later on. May I proceed with
Yeah,
Mr.
Madam Chair.
Oñate? Yes, Senator.
At any rate, pwede naman mag-position paper or
Yes,
memorandum sila,
we
Attorney
will
Garbin,
welcome
on
your
that issue.
position paper,
alright.
Attorney Garbin.
Madam Chair, just
But just on the point of there's no enabling law.